Hello, welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm super excited that you're here for another video. Today's video was a video that was suggested by a subscriber. Her name is Mel T, and she thought it would be a great idea for me to compare my Louis Vuitton Pochette Assassiware with the Louis Vuitton Favorite PM. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it's free. Yeah, it's free to subscribe. So just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up and also hit the bell's notifications button so that you'll never miss an upload. Also, follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury so that we can continue to connect there, just like how we connect here on YouTube. Also, don't forget that I am doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. The giveaway items are one of the items that I'll be giving away to a lucky subscriber is the tote bag by Marc Jacobs. A lucky winner will get to win this tote bag, and another lucky winner will get to win these Gucci sunglasses right here. So I'm giving away these two items to two lucky winners. All the information about the giveaway will be in the description box, so please check there. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So as many of you guys have seen in a lot of my Louis Vuitton videos, you guys know that I own the Favorite PM and Damier Ebene by Louis Vuitton, and I also own the Monogram Pochette Assassiware as well. So like I said in the intro, a subscriber named Mel T, she suggested that I compare the two handbags. Keep in mind, both of these handbags you can buy pre-loved. This handbag is discontinued from Louis Vuitton, but you can purchase this pre-loved. This one is currently on sale on the Louis Vuitton website. It is a very hard to get item, but you can also purchase this one pre-loved as well. Talk about each individual bag separately, and then we'll talk about them together. So this is the Louis Vuitton Favorite PM. I recently created a video on this and uploaded a video on this bag, and I will link it in the cards above so that you can check this video out. So this is the Favorite PM. It is a crossbody bag. It can be worn as a wristlet. It can be worn as a clutch. So it's very versatile. It is a flat bag. It's held shut by a magnetic closure. I've never had issues with my magnetic closure. My magnetic closure has stayed strong, and I've had mine for almost 3 years, and I haven't had any problems of like the flapping open and my things falling out or anything of that nature. It is, like I said, it is a magnetic closure bag. There is no zipper, but it's just one main compartment, and then you have a back compartment in the back. Since mine is Damier Ebene, it has the beautiful red interior. It does come with a crossbody strap that can be removed, but the strap is just not adjustable. And it also comes with a gold chain as well that you can either wear as a shoulder bag or use it as a wristlet, or you can just have it as like nice pretty decoration that can just be that can just dangle in front of the bag, like how the gold chain on the multi pochette works. So that's pretty much like the synopsis of this bag. It comes in gold hardware. There's no back pocket. It's just a simple little clutch, wristlet, or crossbody bag, and it gets the job done. So yeah, this is the Favorite, and like I said, it has been discontinued by Louis Vuitton, but you can purchase this pre-loved. It comes in Damier Azur, Damier Ebene, which you see here, and in Monogram, and there's two sizes, PM, which is this size, and MM, which I do currently want to get my hands on, honestly. Moving right along to the Pochette Assassiware. The Pochette Assassiware is, to me, this pretty much the same bag as the Favorite, minus the fact that instead of a flip closure, it has a zip closure, so you zip your bag shut. And this bag by default comes as a shoulder bag, but you can buy different strap options to make it a crossbody bag. The strap is not adjustable. The strap is not adjustable, but it is removable. You can remove it and carry it as a clutch as well, or have it as a keep all pouch inside of your Neverfulls or any type of medium to large bag. So if you and just like the favorite, it does come in gold hardware, and so on the inside you have a nice brown textile lined interior, and you do have a back pocket. So that's pretty much the overall synopsis of this handbag. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, no rhyme or reason to it, but it is a great, cute handbag, and it's such a statement piece. So if we're looking at both bags together, you can see, as far as the obvious similarities, is that they're pretty much about the same size. So if I put the favorite in front of the Pochette Assassiware, right, let's even it out in my palm, they're pretty much the same size. And here's the bags from the side, and here's the Pochette Assassiware from the back and from the other side. So they're pretty much, you know, the same size. If you look closely, the Pochette Assassiware seems like it would have a little bit more room, but width wise, not that much of a difference, honestly. So that's that. With the, like I mentioned before, with the Pochette Assassiware, you have a zip closure. Okay, so it zips shut. And with the favorite, I'm just gonna place the favorite on top. This is the top of the favorite, and it doesn't have a zip closure, but you open it with the flap. So the way you get in and out of your bag is different. So obvious similarities is that, obvious similarities is that they're pretty much the same size, you know, different canvases. You could get the Pochette Assassiware and Damier Ebene. I'm not 100% sure why Louis Vuitton discontinued that. If you know, comment down below. I don't know why they discontinued it. With the favorite, you can get it in monogram, Damier Azur, and Damier Ebene. The Pochette Assassiware comes in one size, while the favorite comes in two different sizes, PM and MM. The monogram favorite does come with vachetta, and so does the Damier Azur, while this in monogram and Damier Azur comes in natural vachetta. And both of them, as far as similarities as straps go, both straps to both of these handbags, when it comes to both of these bags, as far as straps go, the strap to this bag is removable, just like the strap to the Pochette Assassiware. The main strap to the favorite, it can turn this bag into a crossbody bag, while the strap to the Pochette Assassiware just remains as a shoulder strap bag. Both straps cannot be adjusted, but again, they can be removed. So yeah, that's the strap options as it goes for these two bags. Let's focus on the inside of the bags. So similarities with the inside of both bags is that they both have the fabric textile lining on the inside. The Pochette Assassiware's lining is brown and the favorite lining is red. They both have back pockets in the back like that. They both have back pockets, and they just have like regular main compartments that just hold everything that you basically need. Not one bag holds more than the other, and I will show you that in this video. But to me, they hold about the same amount. And here's the chain attached. So the Pochette Assassiware does not come with a gold chain, but the favorite comes with a gold chain. Just side note. Differences. So the differences about these handbags is that this handbag in particular is a magnetic closure, and this one is a zip up closure. This handbag comes with more versatility. The favorite comes with more versatility than the Pochette Assassiware, because like I've said in my previous video, you can wear this as a wristlet, a crossbody bag, or a shoulder bag. This one, you are just, by default, you are just stuck with either a clutch or a shoulder bag. You don't have options for crossbody at all, and you don't have the option for a wristlet either, unless you buy straps for that to accommodate those needs. But other than that, you're left with a clutch or a shoulder bag. So this has more versatility. Honestly, those are the main differences. It's just like strap and like different sizes. Like the Favorite comes in 2 different sizes, while the Pochette Assassiware comes in 1 set standard size. Pros and cons. The pro of this bag is just the versatility of it, the carefreeness of it, just how much it can hold. The Favorite can hold a lot, and this is just the PM size, so if I had the MM size, I know it could hold a lot more. The pros to this con is that this is a great everyday bag. It is a great staple handbag. I'm not saying that the Favorite is not a staple handbag, but the Favorite is but the Pochette Assassiware is something that anybody likes or could have. So the one con that I have for both of these handbags is the way that you remove the strap. I just wish that both ends where these had the clasps to make the removal of the straps easier. So this is my Pochette Assassiware, and then this is the Favorite. I just wish it had the clasp just like this end, so that it will make removing the straps easier. So that is just one major con. The con for the Pochette Assassiware, I really don't have too many cons, because this bag is simple, it's simplistic, it gets its job done, it holds everything that you need it to hold. And yeah, so I don't have any complaints about the Pochette Assassiware. I don't have any complaints about the Favorite. Literally, the Favorite is like my favorite handbag, no pun intended, but it is just that great. If I had to save one of the 2 handbags, ooh, that is really, really tough, but I would honestly have to say I would save the Favorite, just because of the versatility. I can wear it as a clutch, I can wear it as a wristlet, I can wear it as a long shoulder bag, or I can wear it as a crossbody bag, versus the Pochette Assassiware, where I'm only limited to a clutch or a shoulder bag. Sometimes you just want a hands-free experience, so being able to convert something to a crossbody bag is just up my alley for me. So I would save the Favorite rather the Pochette Assassiware. That doesn't mean that I do not like the Pochette Assassiware. I love the Pochette Assassiware, but if I had to save one of these handbags that are in my hand today, I would save the Favorite without question. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what fits inside these handbags really quickly, and yeah, and that should conclude the video. So I know in my video on my Favorite, I showed you guys everything that fits inside. I don't know if I collected everything that I had in that video to place in here, but I just collected everything that I had in my bum bag, because I'm currently carrying my bum bag, and I'll just show you guys for the purposes of this video everything that was in my bum bag that fits in here and in my Pochette Assassiware. Starting out with the Favorite, I'm gonna place my mini pochette inside, and inside my mini pochette I have 2 perfume, travel size perfumes. I have lip gloss. I have 2 packs of gum. I have Listerine strips. I have lip balm. Obviously your lips can't be too moisturized. And then I have a hair tie. So I'm gonna place all that back in. So the mini pochette fits. And then next I have my cell phone. With the case I have an iPhone 10, and you see that fits perfectly inside. And then I'm using, right now I switched from my YSL card holder. I am using my Louis Vuitton key pouch, so I'm going to insert that inside, and that fits right up front. And I have some hand sanitizer. The hand sanitizer fits right inside of this corner, just like so. And I also have my AirPods, and I'm just gonna place my AirPods right in front. So you see I have my key holder, or my Louis Vuitton key pouch that is holding my credit cards, my cell phone, which is an iPhone 10 with case included, my mini pochette that holds little miscellaneous purse items, AirPods, and hand sanitizer, and bam, closes perfectly, not bulging, will lay up against your body perfectly. So that's everything that fits inside of the favorite, and I'm going to show you everything that fits inside of the Pochette Accessoire. So let me just show you again what fit inside. We have AirPods, we have hand sanitizer, we have my Louis Vuitton key pouch, my iPhone 10 with case, and the mini pochette. So let's see if all of that fits inside of my Pochette Accessoire. So we have the mini pochette with a purse, miscellaneous items. So that fits right on inside. I mean, hopefully it would fit because it's the mini pochette fitting inside of the Pochette Accessoire. Anyway, then we have our iPhone 10 with case included, and that fits perfectly. Then we have my key pouch that is holding all of my credit cards and cash, and that fits perfectly. And then we have our hand sanitizer, and we also have AirPods, and everything fits perfectly inside just like that. And you can zip up your bag just like that, and everything fits. So here's the catcher. Since the favorite by Louis Vuitton is discontinued by Louis Vuitton, and the only way that you can buy this is pre-loved, by this video you can see that the Pochette Accessoire is the same bag as the favorite, but the only difference are the strap options and the way you open and close this handbag. They are pretty much the same bag. So if you were ever considering trying to get the favorite, you can opt for the Pochette Accessoire, and vice versa. If you always wanted the Pochette Accessoire but you already own the favorite, or you wanted to purchase the favorite from the pre-loved market, it is the exact same bag. These bags are literally the exact same, and they do the exact same function, other than the strap options and like the other little cool little details. Like the Pochette Accessoire is just a plain Jane keep all shoulder bag, while the favorite just has a little extra razzle dazzle with the gold chain, long strap, and the gold detailing on the back, and the gold plate on the front. But other than that, the bags are practically the same bags. They hold everything that you need. Whichever one you can get your hands on first, I highly recommend. But even though I said if I had to save one, which one I would save, and I said this one, that doesn't mean that this bag is less functional or my least favorite. None of that. I love this bag so much. So if you enjoyed today's content, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury. Also, don't forget that I'm doing a giveaway. All the giveaway details will be in the description box down below. And until next time, my loves, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!